Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of an all-new 2019 Chevy Traverse. But the reason for this video is because I wanted to show you a cool option that this 2019 Traverse does have, and it does have to deal with the trunk. So say that you don't want the trunk to open up all the way, you can move it over to 3/4, you can move it off if you really wanted to, or you can just switch back to 3/4. Let me show you. We're gonna go back to the vehicle, and it's only open 3/4 of the way. And just to prove to you, we'll go back and we'll shut it, put it back on max, hit the button again, and as you can see, it does get even higher. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.